How to change address on Amazon after order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our address on Amazon after order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing address on Amazon after order is actually quite simple. Now, it might not always work because it has already been very late, but if it's only been like a day or two since you placed the order has not been shipped to the warehouse, in that case you can still change the address. And to edit this information, open up the Amazon app, then just come to the U tab that you can find over here. And after you do that, at the very top you'll find an option that says your orders. So you want to tap the your orders bar over here. Once you tap on the your orders button there, you should be able to see a list of orders that you have made, and you can select a certain order, and once you select that order you will be able to cancel it, or maybe just tap the edit button to go ahead and then get a new delivery address. If it doesn't work out, then just cancel that order and then just replace the new order with the correct address. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.